start with cheer. In the bar where waves on far, making drinks beneath the stars. Pineapples, gold rum is bold, mist so fresh until retold. Honey sweet and lime so bright, in the blender such a sight. Missionary's down for ya, sip it slow under the air. Feel the breeze, no worries go, catch the wave, let the good times flow. Spin the ice, watch it whirl, pour it out, let flavors swirl. Velvet green under tiki lights, taste the tropics in the night. Captain laughs, anchors away, every sip a summer day. Raise a glass to ocean's roar, feel that surf forevermore. Music plays, surf guitar, echoes wild, near and far. In the spirit of the coast, to our host, we all toast. Down for ya, sip it slow under the air. Feel the breeze, no worries go, catch the wave, let the good times flow. Catch the wave, let the good times flow. Catch the wave, let the good times flow. Spin the ice, watch it whirl, pour it out, let flavors swirl. Velvet green on the tiki lights, taste the tropics in the night. Captain laughs, anchors away, every sip a summer day. Raise a glass to ocean's floor, feel that surf forevermore. Music plays, surf guitar, echoes wild, near and far. In the spirit of the coast, to our host, we all toast. So if you love these tiki vibes, we spun, hit that thumbs up, the fun has just begun. Drop a comment, share your drink of choice, and don't forget to hit that subscribe voice. Stay tuned, more adventures on the way. Join us next week, come for the play. With every sip and cocktail we'll explore, Tiki Thursdays are never a bore.